I just got done taking apart the Red Go-Kart that I unboxed and built in one of my recent videos, and I was sitting here thinking about this set, and I know I was a little harsh on the secondary builds, but I'm thinking about building this four-wheeler right here. I mean, I have the pieces all sitting out here, and I'm thinking once I put this away, I'm probably not going to get back into it. So I thought, you know what? Why not? Let's build this thing. Here's the completed four-wheeler. Here's all the pieces I had left. You can see there's quite a few left over, so it didn't use nearly as many as the go-kart did. But it did turn into an okay model. I don't think this thing's amazing, and I didn't think that originally when I saw it. Looking at it from the front, pretty terrible. You can't even tell what that thing is. It isn't until you kind of get to be like this, so you can tell, okay, looks like that might be a four-wheeler or ATV. You got the exhaust coming out the back, which is kind of crazy. I mean, that's some serious exhaust. The blue seat there is okay. The back end of it, that would be the paneling that you'd have on there, like the plastic. That's fine. I don't know if this is supposed to be like the gauges that you'd have, but I'd much rather, instead of them using those light pieces right there, or what I would consider that I would use for a light, I wish there was a headlight right here instead of that piece. That's kind of a bummer. Got the random blue. It kind of looks like a clown's four-wheeler, unfortunately. The wheels look okay on it. Got a couple Technic pieces down there holding everything together. But overall, just an okay build. The only reason that I built it, I mean, I admit that it's pretty bad, and you could tell from just looking at the box, but I had the set. I paid for it. It's already bought. I had all the pieces out, so I figured why not put this thing together and get my money's worth out of it. And I think I did. I did have fun putting it together. It just isn't the model that I would hope for, but as a secondary build on a $10 set, it's quite okay. So that, my friends, is the last you will see of LEGO Creator Set 31030 Red Go-Kart. I'm going to tear this four-wheeler apart, put it in a bag, and it's going to go back in the box on my shelf. One thing you won't be seeing is this build, which is the forklift. I just can't build that thing. It's terrible. So thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.